In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to restore deleted shelves, books, and articles in Docsie platform. First, head over to the trash can icon in your Docsie workspace. This is where you'll find any deleted items. Once you're in the trash can, you'll see a list of deleted shelves, books, and articles. If you're having trouble finding something, you can use the filter options to narrow down the list. When you've identified the content you want to bring back, look for the Restore button next to the item. For individual items, just click the Restore button. If you want to restore multiple items at once, check the boxes next to each item, and click Restore for batch restoration. After restoring, you'll see a confirmation message pop up in the top right corner of your screen, letting you know everything was successfully restored. Can now restore any accidentally deleted items in just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comments below. Also, remember to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching.